Welcome back to my channel. Here we are back at Nikola Motors, and I shot this on Sunday, the 3rd of November. I was surprised. I thought I would see more of the parking lot, but let me tell you, there was no cars in front of the building, which really surprised me since the last time I was here. And this time I would thought that I would come in closer to some objects that I've been watching. And keep in mind it's very, very windy there. So the video was not going to be as smooth as I would like it to be. But I came into these batteries. And these are, I guess, each individual battery. Can you imagine all the batteries they've got there? Would you like to get your hands on that to see what they're like? I would. Tear them apart, see what's wrong with them. See what kind of batteries they are. They use cylindrical or pouch batteries. Now I'm headed towards the northeast part of their facility there. This is where they have that track, and this is some of the vehicles that they have here stored. I'm going to zoom in on it in a little bit, but not as many as I've seen the last time. Maybe they started fixing some of these. I don't know. And they're hydrogen as well as battery-powered, mostly battery-powered trucks there. But I could come, I looked around for, the one thing I do like about the Air 3 is that I have a 3x lens on it, and so I can get in a little closer and zoom in these things. And you can see by that fence down there that, who knows, when the last time somebody was there to look at these trucks. Probably not recently, for sure. They have a fence around them. And why they have a fence around them, I have no idea. And I was interested in one particular one, especially that one right there, that burned out one. What the heck caused that? Probably a battery fire, for sure. And that's probably why they recalled so many of these trucks for battery fires. As I said, the lithium ion, not a lithium iron phosphate. If I was going to build a truck that was hundreds of thousands of dollars, I would make sure that, well, the lithium iron phosphate are much heavier batteries and not as energy dense. As I looked at these videos, look at that. That was probably for a specific company, that particular one. Now I'm coming back from that northeast corner and heading southwest at this time, and taking a scan of all the trucks that are there. And as I remember, I came back here in August last year, well, this year, excuse me, this summer. I had to come back and drop some stuff out of our house. I don't know if there was very much change in the lineup of trucks. And again, there was a semi that came in there, and I did video it for a little while, but I didn't put it in here. It was hauling some kind of a tank. So not very much change has taken place since the last time I was here. And again, it was surprising how desolate it was. I'm going to have to come here on a work day and shoot a video. And the nice thing about the Air 3, I can go up quite high and get pretty good video, and the drone is much quieter. I just don't, even though I am a stockholder and I should have rights to know what the heck's going on there, I don't really want anybody chasing after me because I'm shooting videos of their place. I'm a firm believer in electric vehicles. I've had them since 2017. I got my first electric vehicle was back in 1979. I had a city car run on batteries. It had about a 35-mile range and could go about 35. It's just a souped-up golf cart is all it was. The doors were like a vinyl and a plastic thing you could see through, and had a little heater in it. And yeah, it was. I was really kind of discouraged about that city car. But as I zoom out, you can see that I'm kind of going over these and letting people that really want to see what's going around the facility, get a little peek. Again, I'm shooting these at 3x, so I'm pretty high up, actually. I think I'm about 600 feet in the air at this time. So nobody's going to know that I'm flying over them, even though I could have come lower. And I might, well, I won't if I go there on a work day. I'd like to see how much activity is around there. There was no activity. But again, I want Nikola to succeed, just like a lot of other shareholders. I believe that their truck has a purpose. So anyway, I wanted to give you a little peek. Now we're heading kind of southeast as I scan over the building. We're going to be coming up on those batteries again shortly. And I'm looking forward to seeing if there's any activity. One of these days I'll go there on a weekday and, middle of the week, make sure that there's nobody off for the weekend. But anyway, I wanted to give you a little peek of Nikola Motors. And thank you for watching my channel, and I will talk to you later.